Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and legit way to withdraw your crypto from your Binance exchange to your MetaMask wallet without paying any withdrawal fee. Yes, it's possible and it's something a lot of users don't even realize. So if you are looking to save money and avoid unnecessary charges, this video is actually for you. So I will proceed to copy my receiving wallet from my MetaMask. So let me put in my password. So I'm done inputting my password. Then I'll proceed to copy my MetaMask wallet. So I'll just copy it here. Remember, this is already on Binance Smart Chain. And always take note of the network you are withdrawing to and the network you're sending from. So now that I've copied my wallet, I'll proceed to my Binance exchange. Now I'm already on Binance. Then I'll proceed to click on USDT. Once it opens, then click on send. Then take note on-chain withdrawal. Then click on on-chain withdrawal. Then I will long paste. I already pasted my wallet. Then network. This is where you need to take note. Open it. Open the drop down. You can see Binance Smart Chain. This is actually free. Fee 0 USDT. Minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. So another free one is BNB, but I'm not going to be using this one. This is another different network. Then if you are withdrawing USDT through Ethereum, you can see how much they're charging, 1.5 US dollar. You can see Arbitrum. Arbitrum is also, the fee is actually very low. Then Avast is actually also low. Then Optimism is actually low. So, but all these ones charge. The only one that is free is BNB and Binance Smart Chain. So we'll proceed with Binance Smart Chain. You can see I have up to 11 US dollars. So I'll just click on maximum. Then I'll click on withdraw. Then I will click on confirm. Once I deposit, you will see enter verification code. So I'll just proceed to my authenticator app and copy my code. I'll click on paste. Then withdrawal processing. So you took note that the fee was actually, it was actually zero fee. So let me proceed to my MetaMask to check if it has arrived. So let me refresh my wallet. You can see USDT, Theta. It should appear soon. So if this video actually helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.